All right, guys, we're gonna go about washing this car today. One of our customers here with a Lamborghini Aventador Super Veloce, so nice test car to use our products on. So first we're gonna do a pre-rinse, which we already did, rinsing everything from top to bottom, taking off any buildup on the top. Dirt, grime, bug guts, the car's been driven. It's definitely one of those driven cars, not a garage queen like most other cars out there. So like I said earlier, rinsing it from top to bottom, getting everything nice and fresh first. Then we're gonna follow up with our foam gun. Give it a nice layer of foam, let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, drag anything off on the top, rinse everything off again, then follow up with our 2-bucket wash method, resulting in a swirl-free finish back to normal. So here's what we got. We'll do one quick rinse off one more time and then move on to our foam gun and the following steps. So here's where we go. Now the car is rinsed off, nice and fresh, we're gonna move on to our foam gun. That's gonna give a nice layer of foam, drag anything built up on top of the surface before moving on to the 2-bucket wash method. So again, straight back and forth, giving a nice layer, let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then move on to the 2-bucket wash method. So a lot of other companies like to use their foam cannon with a power washer, but we're realistic and we understand that not everybody has the access to a foam cannon. So a foam gun is a really nice tool that you can hook up to your regular garden hose and pretty much get the same results that one would find in a foam cannon. All right, so now the foam has done its job and dried everything off over that 2-minute period. We're gonna rinse this off and then move on to the 2-bucket wash method. So again, there might be a question on why I'm rinsing this off again and not just going straight into the wash process. That's because there's still some dirt and buildup on top of the paint. So instead of working that into the paint, we want to rinse it all off, give it a fresh finish. Now that the car's all rinsed off, got the foam cannon layer already done, rinse it all off again, that way a nice fresh finish is left behind. We're gonna move on to our 2-bucket wash method. And to help us out with that, I brought some of my friends along. I got Deanna and Sam here. They're gonna help us out with the wash process. I'm gonna let them take over and get this thing back to clean again. So go ahead, girls, do your thing.